What is the one word for the shovel or bucket of a dredge or backhoe? The correct answer is scoop. What is the one word for the force of attraction between all masses in the universe? The correct answer is gravity. What is the one word for the center of an object? The correct answer is core. What is the one word for the organ that is the center of the nervous system? The correct answer is brain. What is the one word for relatively long-bodied reptile with legs and a tapering tail? The correct answer is lizard. What is the one word for lowest support of a structure? The correct answer is base. What is the one word for a shape with a circular base and sides tapering to a point? The correct answer is cone. What is the one word for take in a liquid? The correct answer is absorb. What is the one word for a collection of maps in book form? The correct answer is atlas. What is the one word for move or cause to move energetically or busily? The correct answer is bustle. What is the one word for a celestial body that revolves around the sun? The correct answer is planet. What is the one word for vertical flue carrying smoke through the wall of a building? The correct answer is chimney. What is the one word for a grouping of a number of similar things? The correct answer is clump. What is the one word for a substance that can be consumed to produce energy? The correct answer is fuel. What is the one word for combustion of materials producing heat and light and smoke? The correct answer is flame. What is the one word for an imaginary line around the Earth forming a great circle? The correct answer is equator. What is the one word for make reference to? The correct answer is mention. What is the one word for canine tooth of a carnivorous animal? The correct answer is fong. What is the one word for the main stem of a tree? The correct answer is trunk. What is the one word for animal tissue consisting predominantly of contractile cells? The correct answer is muscle.